Fifth generation computer. The period of fifth generation is present and beyond date using ultra-large-scale integration (ULSI). Recent research has focused on developing the thinking computers, that is, artificial intelligence (AI). This generation is based on parallel processing hardware and AI, artificial intelligence software. Hardware technology. The VLSI technology became ULSI, that is ultra-large-scale integration technology, which enabled to store millions of components on a single chip. Software technology. AI, that is artificial intelligence software, which includes areas like expert system (ES), natural language processing (NLP), speech recognition, voice recognition, robotics, etc. All the high-level languages like C and C++, Java, .NET, etc. are used in this generation. Examples: robot. Applications. This generation of computers uses parallel processing that allows several instructions to be executed in parallel, thus results in faster processing speed. The Intel dual-core microprocessor uses parallel processing. Mainly used for high-level scientific applications in the areas of space research and defense.